Chaos prevailed in Pakistan after former Prime Minister Imran Khan was arrested by paramilitary rangers on Tuesday while he was present at the Islamabad High Court for the hearing of a corruption case. Workers of Imran Khan's party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf or PTI, took to streets after his arrest and even reached Pakistan Army's headquarters in Rawalpindi, resulting in the imposition of Section 144 across the country. Khan's supporters barged into the house of the Corps Commander's house in Lahore cantonment. His supporters also gathered outside the army headquarters and hurled stones before breaking into the campus. Sri Lanka's Supreme Court has given the green light to a bill seeking to decriminalize homosexuality in a move hailed as a historic development by campaigners. LGBTQ rights activists in Sri Lanka have been campaigning for years to change the law in a country where homosexuality is still punishable by a prison sentence and a fine, leading to the private members' bill presented in Parliament last month. Speaker of Parliament Mahinda Yapa Abeyewardena said that the Supreme Court, after hearing more than a dozen petitions on both sides of the argument, ruled that it was not unconstitutional. Russia observed the anniversary of its victory over Nazi Germany in World War II with a parade at Red Square in Moscow on Tuesday. It took place amid tight security following a series of drone attacks, including on the Kremlin citadel itself, that Moscow has blamed on Ukraine. Victory Day is one of the most important public holidays in Russia, when people commemorate the sacrifices made by the Soviet Union during what is called the Great Patriotic War of 1941 to 45. More than 20 cities in Russia have cancelled their May 9th observances because of concerns that the events could be targets for Ukrainian attacks. Events were still held in St. Petersburg. Israel has been conducting almost daily raids to detain Palestinians suspected of carrying out attacks on Israelis as violence increases in the occupied West Bank. In the fresh air raids, 12 people have been killed in the Gaza Strip by the Israeli military in what the military said was the targeting of members of the Palestinian Islamic Jihad movement. The latest attacks come as tension boils between Israel and militants in Gaza, which is ruled by Hamas. At least 12 people, including civilians, lost their lives in the fresh attack and at least 20 other civilians were injured. Explosions targeting residential apartments were heard at about 2 a.m. local time in different parts of Gaza. The Palestinian Islamic Jihad movement announced that 3 of its leaders were killed in the air attacks.